Here's how to get Vanguard title in Asylum Life. So the first thing that you're going to do is to search it on how are you going to get it. And as you can see, based on the Roblox Asylum Life wiki and Gaming Asylum wiki, completing specific often repetitive tasks or meeting certain requirements. So this usually means that you can't actually have the Vanguard title on yourself since it needs a rank. So as you can see, what you need to do is to complete objectives, check the Y menu, and equip the title. Which means that this is very impossible for you to do because sometimes you need to purchase a premium amount for this one. Now, if you want to play the Asylum Live, you can go ahead and search it on Google and you'll be redirected to the Roblox website and click on the play button so that you can go ahead and play it. But this is just a reminder that you can't actually have the Vanguard title because once again, this is only eligible for those people who have a premium account on Roblox. Now, here's how to do.